When people think about pollution, they usually picture smoggy city streets or industrial smokestacks. But what if I told you that the air inside your home could be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Shocking, right? Indoor air pollution is a silent threat that affects millions of people every day. From hidden chemicals in household products to microscopic allergens lurking in carpets, the air you breathe at home could be slowly harming your health. In today's video, we're diving into the surprising sources of indoor air pollution, how it affects your body, and, most importantly, natural ways to purify the air in your home. Stick around because what you learn today might just change the way you think about the air inside your home forever. Let's get into it. Most of us assume our homes are safe, clean environments, but the reality is very different. According to a study published in Environmental Science and Technology, indoor air pollution can be 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels due to the presence of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, mold, dust mites, and other contaminants. One of the biggest culprits of indoor air pollution? Household cleaning products. Many conventional cleaners release VOCs, which can linger in the air long after you've finished cleaning. A study from the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine found that regular exposure to VOCs from cleaning sprays and air fresheners can increase the risk of asthma and other respiratory issues by 30 to 50%. Furniture and building materials also contribute to toxic air. Many couches, carpets, and even mattresses contain flame retardants and formaldehyde, both of which have been classified as potential carcinogens by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. These chemicals slowly off-gas into the air, meaning you could be inhaling harmful compounds without even realizing it. And let's not forget about candles and air fresheners. While they might make your home smell nice, most conventional air fresheners contain phthalates, which a Harvard School of Public Health study linked to hormone disruption and reproductive health issues. Scented candles, especially those made from paraffin wax, release benzene and toluene, both of which are known to negatively impact lung function. Even cooking can contribute to poor indoor air quality. A study from Environmental Health Perspectives found that gas stoves release nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide, pollutants that can irritate the lungs and exacerbate respiratory conditions like asthma. Without proper ventilation, these harmful gases accumulate indoors, making your kitchen one of the most polluted areas in your home. Beyond these sources, dust and pet dander also play a major role in indoor air pollution. Many homes accumulate fine dust particles that contain pollen, bacteria, and even microscopic plastic fibers from synthetic furniture and clothing. A Journal of Indoor Air Quality study found that long-term exposure to airborne dust particles can lead to chronic inflammation in the respiratory tract. Regular vacuuming, dusting, and the use of HEPA filters can help minimize this exposure. Another often overlooked contributor to indoor air pollution is mold and mildew. Bathrooms, basements, and poorly ventilated areas create the perfect conditions for mold growth. A Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, report states that mold spores can trigger allergic reactions, asthma attacks, and other respiratory issues. If left unchecked, mold contamination can lead to chronic sinus infections and immune system suppression. So, what can you do to improve the air quality inside your home? Fortunately, there are plenty of natural ways to purify indoor air without relying on chemical-based air fresheners. Let's go over some of the best options. Houseplants as natural air filters. Certain plants, like peace lilies, spider plants, and snake plants, can help remove toxins from the air. A NASA Clean Air study found that these plants can absorb common indoor pollutants such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Not only do they purify the air, but they also add a touch of nature to your home. Activated charcoal. Charcoal is a powerful natural toxin absorber. Studies published in the Journal of Hazardous Materials show that activated charcoal can effectively trap VOCs and other airborne pollutants. Simply placing a few bags of activated charcoal around your home can help improve air quality. Beeswax candles. Unlike paraffin candles, which release toxic fumes, beeswax candles actually purify the air. A study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that burning beeswax candles releases negative ions, which help neutralize airborne contaminants. Salt lamps. Himalayan salt lamps are believed to purify air by attracting water vapor that carries pollutants. While scientific evidence is limited, anecdotal reports suggest that they can help reduce airborne allergens and improve air freshness. Proper ventilation. One of the easiest ways to improve indoor air quality is to open windows and allow fresh air to circulate. A report by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, states that proper ventilation reduces indoor air pollutants by diluting them with outdoor air. Essential oil diffusers. Certain essential oils like tea tree oil, eucalyptus, and lavender have antimicrobial properties that can help purify the air. A study from the Journal of Applied Microbiology found that essential oils can reduce airborne bacteria and mold spores, making them a great natural alternative to chemical-based air fresheners. Non-toxic cleaning products. Switching to natural cleaning solutions like vinegar, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide can significantly reduce VOC exposure. A study from the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine found that households using non-toxic cleaners had significantly lower indoor air pollution levels. Use an air purifier. If you're looking for a more high-tech solution, an air purifier with a HEPA filter can be a game changer. Research published in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine found that HEPA filters can remove up to 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. If you live in an area with high outdoor pollution levels, an air purifier can make a noticeable difference in your indoor air quality. Reduce plastic use. Plastics, especially when heated, can release harmful chemicals like phthalates and BPA into the air. A study from Environmental Health Perspectives found that exposure to these chemicals is linked to endocrine disruption and an increased risk of metabolic disorders. Opt for glass, stainless steel, or natural fiber alternatives whenever possible to minimize plastic off-gassing in your home. Control humidity levels. High humidity can create the perfect breeding ground for mold and dust mites, both of which can negatively impact respiratory health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, maintaining indoor humidity levels between 30 to 50% can help prevent mold growth and reduce allergy symptoms. Using a dehumidifier in damp areas like bathrooms and basements can be an effective way to control moisture levels. Regularly change air filters. If you have an HVAC system, keeping your air filters clean is crucial. Dirty filters can trap and circulate pollutants throughout your home. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, recommends changing your HVAC filter every 60 to 90 days to maintain good indoor air quality. Avoid synthetic fragrances. Many scented candles, plug-in air fresheners, and laundry detergents contain synthetic fragrances that release harmful chemicals. A study from the Journal of Environmental Science and Technology found that these artificial scents often contain compounds like benzene and formaldehyde, which can cause respiratory irritation and long-term health effects. Opt for fragrance-free products or those scented with pure essential oils instead. Making these small changes to your home environment can have a huge impact on your overall health. While we often focus on diet and exercise as key factors in wellness, the quality of the air we breathe is just as important. Taking simple steps to reduce indoor air pollutants can improve respiratory function, enhance sleep quality, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases. So, is the air in your home toxic? For many people, the answer is yes, without even realizing it. From hidden VOCs in cleaning products to mold spores in damp spaces, indoor air pollution is a serious issue. But the good news? You have the power to change it. By adding air purifying plants, avoiding synthetic chemicals, and ensuring proper ventilation, you can significantly improve the air quality in your home. And remember, clean air isn't just about preventing illness. It's about enhancing your overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health-conscious content. What are your favorite natural ways to keep your home's air clean? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your tips.